Hello everyone, before I start this video I want to thank everyone who is supporting me. It's really great to have so much people who can I count on, and this will not be possible without you. My videos are not sponsored or anything like that, so it's really important for me if you press that like button and you subscribe to my channel, and that way you can support me. I promise I'll continue to improve in every video I do, and I'll keep doing my best. Now let's go to the video. Hello guys, how everyone is doing? My name is Wilson and thanks for watching this video. Today I bring some accessories for our baby Galaxy Z Fold 4. One of the cases is the one I'm using now, and the other two I will unbox here. This one I feel it's pretty comfortable. It protects around the phone, all the corners as you can see, and it's really smooth when you touch it. It's also easy to install. I'm gonna demonstrate to you. I'm gonna take it out. And now you just need, easy as that. It's easy to install. The only problem of this case is because it doesn't have the spots for the fold pen. However, you can order one with the support for a fold pen or S pen, and instead of this protecting hinge, I'm gonna take it out, it's a little bit hard. Instead of this, you have a spot for the fold pen or S pen. I recommend it, it's working fine at the moment, protects my phone. As you can see, the only down point is the plastic, this one, protecting the hinge. And it will not let your phone stand straight in a table like this, because since you have this, it does not stand straight. But of course you can take it out, and this way we're gonna hold straight. I also bought a screen protector for the cover screen. I'm gonna take this out. As you can see, it has a screen protector. And also, I'm gonna take this all out. And also bought a protector for these lenses. And it was really easy to install. We have this frame to put around the screen, and this way you will not miss the spot where you should stick the glass protector. It's very easy to install, it works perfect. I have here the box. I will let all the links in the description. I'm gonna just show you this is the glass protector, and these ones, it has some alcohol pads to clean your screen, and the protector lenses. These ones, it has brought 3. And instead, you just need to pay attention and clean it before you take any picture, because your fingerprints will stick on it really easy. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of fingerprints there. I just showed you my case. Let's put this inside the box. And now, let's go to the unboxing. This one was 6 euros. I think it's a slim case, but unlike this one I have, does not protect the hinge. So let's check it. I'm gonna open with this knife. It was my dad's knife when he worked at the Navy. It has a fork if you want to eat. And let's go to the unboxing. We have here the case. As you can see, it looks like a slim case. It also have this ring it will support to don't let your phone fall, and it's, I think it's adjustable. I'm gonna unlock this. And here we have the case. It's much simpler than the one I use. It has this ring. As you can see, you can adjust it. You can use also the ring to help your phone stand while you're watching a video or something else. Just gonna put, let's try it. It's pretty simple. You can see the hinge. This one does not cover it, and you can use it. They say you can use it to hold down your phone while you're watching a movie. I think so. You can use it. Or maybe not.
A few moments later.
So after some struggle with this case and this ring, I found the only way you can let it stand is this way. If you open the screen to the fold case, the fold screen, it's much harder to find the right spot and it will fall. Also, if you have a magnet in your car, you can use this metal here to stick your phone, and also you have 8 colors to choose. For me it's a slim case. I think it's much better than the one I use because I don't like that inch protector here. It makes the phone bigger and I really don't like it. So this was the first unboxing. I like the case. Let's go to the next one. This one was 22 euros. They say the fingerprint does not stick, so let's check it. Let's open it first. Oh, you don't think this looks like a striptease? Don't watch these kids. Just kidding. So here we have our case. Well, it's really well packed. Nice case. Well, this case, they say the fingerprint does not stick. So let's check it. Oh, really nice. So it's kind of similar to the one I have. It also protects all the phone, including the hinge, as you can see. They say this case does not affect the wireless charge, and also has a glass to protect the cover screen. So I'm not use this screen now, but I'm gonna try the case. Yeah, but well, you can see the fingerprint does not stick on it. The other one does. And so yeah, really nice. It's slimmer than the other one I have, and it also comes with this screen protection film. You just need to peel off, and well, it really looks nice on this one. But just this thing here, I really don't like this. I love to see the Samsung here, and it looks like slimmer this way than with this. Yeah, but definitely this one looks nicer than the other one I have. Now let's clean this table. Let's bring the cases. And here we have 3 cases. They are budget cases. For a small price you can get one of them. I will let all the links below. Just check my description. I have everything I talked about under there. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your support. And don't forget, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell. That's helped me a lot, and see you next time.